Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge it above 50% and confirm a fresh backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, remove your Google account and any Oneplus cloud accounts so factory reset protection won't block you. Make sure you remember or write down your lock PIN, password, or pattern. Now you're ready to start. Power the device off and hold power plus volume down to enter recovery. This jumpstarts the factory reset process safely and quickly. You are now in recovery. Use the volume keys to navigate and power to select. Choose the language, then pick Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This clears user data and restores system defaults. Confirm the action with Yes. The device will show progress and may take several minutes. If Oxygen OS is current, you can alternatively go Settings, System Reset Options, Reboot to Recovery to start. That route reduces button press errors. Make sure the wipe finishes before you reboot to avoid partial resets. Once the wipe is done, choose Reboot System Now and let the phone restart. You'll proceed through the initial setup screens and sign into accounts. If Factory Reset Protection requests your old Google account, enter those credentials. That's why removing the account early helps. If the device fails to boot, re-enter recovery and repeat the wipe. Charge to 100%, or use local ROM update or ADB sideload as a fallback. If problems persist, contact Oneplus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.